I ain't gonna lie, I'm at the gas station doing damage. I'm gonna give y'all a proper introduction in a minute though, just give me a quick second.
Hey, you! Up there pumping gas. Hey, it's my office.
Man, shut your ass up. Alright, man, what poppin' YouTube, man? You feel me? It's your boy Reek. I'm back with another video. And today, man, as I can see, we got the Widebody, man. And guess what being done? You already seen it. On the title in the thumbnail. See how quiet that shit is? That shit is too quiet, gang. Could have been got it done, but I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I just be having so much going on, and I got money tied up in so much store right now, so it just, you feel me? I wanted to do a whole system, like a Scatpack exhaust system, but that shit $1,200, my nigga. Like, damn, like they taxing for that bit, but I mean, it worth it because it sounds so much cleaner and shit. Like, let me turn this way so y'all can see me. It sounds so much cleaner and shit, but I'm not even gonna lie, that mid muffler delete don't sound bad at all. Sitting here listening to my baby as she still stop mids on, no exhaust work whatsoever. Like, the idle is quiet, bro. I'm gonna set y'all up so y'all can hear what it sound like when I rev it. So I'm gonna do like a before and after type thing. I ain't gonna lie, this finna be loud as hell. I already know. I can't even get the words out right now. I really couldn't even sleep last night, cause like I was so excited, cause I just know my POVs finna go crazy. And if y'all ain't subscribed to my POV channel yet, go do that. Subscribe to this channel that you watching right now. And yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all at the muffler shop. All right, man. My baby going up for surgery. Let's do it. About to go up on the lift. As I can see, man, we got Widebody finna get the mid muscle delete today. Yeah. I don't know if you excited right now. I'm excited as hell, bro. That shit crazy. Damn, I'm finna cut the mids on this bitch. Come on, team. Oh my God. Old school nigga though. That shit hard. I don't know shit about no old school whatsoever. What the fuck is this? It be like it was made in goddamn 1940. Oh my God. Let me know what y'all think, man. What y'all think? What should I do more to the exhaust, or should I just keep the mid muffler, man? What y'all think? What y'all think? Let me know something. Let me know something. Let me know something right now. I don't let nobody touch my baby. Damn, this gonna hurt, man. It's gonna hurt me to see her just go through that surgery. They cut on her. Oh my God. Yes, sir, ski. Mid. Yes, sir. That's it, huh? That's it, huh? Appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Yeah, shoot chill, man. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
We'll take you right in there, man.
Oh, I gotta go ahead? All right, bet.
What year Charger is it?
23.
Okay.
Oh, great, man. I sure appreciate it.
Yeah, shoot chill. Appreciate it too. We do a lot of them, man, but you know, just certain ones, you get, certain ones people just.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
All right. Yes, sir. Thank you, man. We'll see you later. Have a good day.
You too.
Shoot chill. Be careful. Thank you. I know they haul ass.
Yeah.
I know they do. I have one.
Y'all come check these folks out, man. Scotty Muffler breaking, TV joint and making, man. Let's do it.
Put a pipe on them?
Yeah, mid muffler delete.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sounding pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, all right.
Appreciate it. Nah. Let me see, man. Let me see. God damn, that boy just got that motherfucker right. Let y'all hear that motherfucker a little bit. Hopefully my camera stay. For sure. Hey. Hey, what the fuck? Hey. Hey, this bitch sound crazy. This bitch sound crazy as hell. No cap. Damn, that was 12. What the fuck? What the fuck? This bitch sound crazy. This bitch sound crazy as hell. Y'all don't understand. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god, bro. Like, do y'all hear this shit? Do y'all hear this shit? What the fuck? Crackling? What? I can't believe this shit, dog. Like,
I'm just gonna take out a bell. Lil' bro got hit in his top, say this a new weapon. Pick y'all partner up, we had him sliding. Yeah, nigga, that is look like he thought that he was made of steel. Oh, I think I hit a Jace, I told him, bro, it's time to peel.
God, twin. That nigga got it wrong, nigga. That nigga got it wrong, nigga, the car. They done gave the wrong nigga. I'm telling you. They done gave the wrong nigga. Hey man, get what? Gap cam on the way. Y'all already know that for sure. Gap cam on the way. Gap cam. Gap cam on the way. Gap cam on the way. Going real fast, nigga, fuck the brakes. I'm on you niggas ass. Nah, I ain't gay. No diddy. Hit 150. In this scat. I ain't looking back. 12 in my review, nigga, fuck that. GLPK. I'm just playing. Nigga, that'll break your shit. For you run from there, I can't see, man. God damn, get right, son. My shit might be zoomed. Come on, man. Come on, twin. Come on, twin. Housework whatsoever. Like, the auto is quiet, bro. See what my grandma got to say, buddy. Grandma! You heard me out there?
Yeah,
You're loud.
I heard you raising your motor.
I was doing what?
Raising your motor.
Alright, YouTube, man, I'm back. You feel me? I had to go get right, get ready, get fresh, and you know, and whatnot. Anyway, man, y'all see how the car sounds, so go ahead, subscribe to my POV channel, man. My POV channel gonna be in the description. Subscribe to my POV channel, y'all gonna get the end scene, you feel me, the inside of the car view and how it really sound, you feel me, on the POV channel. But look at these, bro. These motherfuckers big as hell. I lost about 100 pounds in the car just off of them bitches. These fat ass muffler, them bitches huge, bro. Like what? This shit was really on the car. Taking up all the sound. Look at it, man. I'm talking about like what? But anywho, that's enough of that, man. So y'all just do me a favor, you feel me? Like, comment, and subscribe on the video, man. Like up, sub up, share it to your friend and whatnot. And yeah, man, we grinding, we working. So I'm actually recording another video right now. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. I'm pumping out the content for y'all, man. I'm pumping out the content. Can y'all see me? I'm pumping out the content for y'all, so just help me out, man. Fuck with your boy. You feel me? Give me some feedback. Damn, I have a toothbrush in my pocket. What the fuck? Anyway, man, yeah, we going, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We out of here.